Okay, today we're working on a simple thing which can happen during shipping. It's called shipping damage. Unfortunately, this volume knob is loose, okay? The problem is not serious and you can fix it yourself very easily. So all you need is T8 screwdriver and unscrew it. Unscrew one side, unscrew this second one, and this one probably stuck a little bit. Okay, so we got, it's T8, I said before, right? Okay, so over here, it's not convenient to do it, but you can see there are holders in here. You just push it like this, okay? You get it out and just keep it like this. Close these guys, okay? And as well here, you have to disconnect it, just like this, okay? The problem is that plastic mounts are broken, which is sort of not a big deal. So all you need is, you need something like this, small glue gun. And believe me, it's pretty reliable solution, and it works pretty good, because like I said, the mount is kind of the gears, it gets cracked up and it can happen. So what you do right here in the holes, you inject the glue, okay, 1 and 2, a little more here, that's it. The gun I'm using is actually, it's not expensive, you can get it anywhere, Home Depot. This one is small, it's convenient to do, but anyone will work, any glue gun will work. And just hold it like this, so it gets properly aligned over there, and give it a little bit time, maybe like a few minutes, and after that you can put the cable back in, just like this. Okay, cable is back. Okay, I think it's already holding up okay, so we don't need that part. Okay, let me see. That's it, it's holding well. And reverse directions to assemble it. It's not convenient for me to do, but you get the point. You basically insert it here, like this, okay, and push it like this. That's it. It's not wobbling anymore, it's good. That's about it. Just put the screws back in and it's done.